Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to collect leads using the spinning wheel widget. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make the spinning wheel available only to users who provide their information. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Command Ninja editor. Navigate to the settings. In the Require Signup field, you have two options. Option 1 is email. This means that the user must enter their email before they can spin the wheel. Option 2 is a custom form. To use this, you'll need to create a form with Command Ninja. Once the form is ready, you can select it here. This way, users will have to provide additional details before spinning the wheel. You can edit your form directly in the Command Ninja editor to customize the information you want to collect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video!